So, welcome once again to our lecture on machine learning for beginners A to Z. So, in this lecture, this is the fourth lecture where we'll be discussing about AI versus ML versus deep learning. It is one of the questions that is mostly asked in the interviews. So, you should watch this lecture be very attentive and watch this lecture. Okay, I hope you have watched the lecture from lecture 1 to 3. Those are the basics. You need to understand it very well so that we can move ahead. Coming to this lecture part. So, in this video, we are going to understand three very important terms, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. These terms are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same. Understanding the difference between them is very important to build a strong foundation in machine learning. Think of these as a hierarchy where one is subset of another. We'll break them down one by one in a very simple way. In real world applications, different problems use different approaches, sometimes AI, sometimes machine learning, and sometimes deep learning. In this video, you will learn what AI is, what machine learning is, what deep learning is, and how they are connected. So let's start with first concept, that is artificial intelligence. Okay, so artificial intelligence is the concept of creating machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include thinking, reasoning, learning, and decision making. In simple terms, AI is about making machines smart. Instead of just following instructions, machines can analyze situation and make decision. Let's take an example of chatbots you can take that answers your question. Virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri. There are also self-driving cars that make driving decisions. All of these are applications of artificial intelligence. And it is very important question that are asked in interview, that what are the applications of artificial intelligence. So you can say that we have self-driving car, then we have virtual assistants, and we have chatbots. AI can work using predefined rules or more advanced method like machine learning. So AI is the broad field that focuses on making machine intelligent. I hope you people have understood what artificial intelligence is. Now we should understand what machine learning is. Okay. Machine learning is actually subset of artificial intelligence. It focuses on teaching machines to learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. In the previous lectures also I have discussed what machine learning is. Okay. So in traditional artificial intelligence, we might write rules manually, but in machine learning, we provide data and the system automatically learns pattern from the data. For example, in spam detection, instead of writing rules for spam email, we give the model thousands of example of spam and non-spam emails. This I have discussed earlier also, and the model learns patterns and makes prediction. One powerful feature of machine learning is that it improves over time. Okay, the more good data you give it, the more better it learns. Okay, so machine learning is all about learning from data to make predictions and decision. I've already discussed machine learning in detail in the last 3 lectures. You can go and watch it. So now we will be discussing what is deep learning. Deep learning will be discussed at the end of the lectures, but here we will also try to understand it a bit. Deep learning is subset of machine learning. It uses something called neural network, which are inspired by structure of human brain. These neural network consist of multiple layers. That's why it is called deep learning. Each layer learns more complex patterns from data. Deep learning is used in advanced application like image recognition, like detecting objects in photos, speech recognition like voice assistant, and natural language processing like chatbots. However, deep learning requires large amount of data and high computational power. So deep learning is an advanced form of machine learning used for solving complex problem. So now we'll try to understand what is relationship between AI, ML, and DL. So the easiest way to understand this is using a hierarchy. Artificial intelligence is the largest field. Inside AI, we have machine learning. And inside machine learning, we have deep learning. You can imagine this as a three circles. The biggest circle is AI. Inside that is smaller circle. Okay, and then like this you can see. Bigger circle is AI, then we have smaller circle machine learning, and inside that we have deep learning. So we can see that deep learning is part of machine learning and machine learning is part of artificial intelligence. This relationship helps us understand which technique are being used in different application. Not all AI uses deep learning, but all deep learning is part of artificial intelligence. So always remember, AI is big picture, ML is part of it, and DL is the most advanced part of it. Now we'll try to understand what is actually difference. Okay. Artificial intelligence is a broader field, like I said earlier, that focuses on making machines intelligent. Machine learning, it learns from data. It is subset of artificial intelligence and it allows machine to learn from data. And then we have deep learning. Deep learning is subset of what? It is subset of machine learning. Okay, that uses neural network to solve complex problem. So the main difference is how they work. AI focuses on intelligence, ML focuses on learning from data, and DL focuses on deep neural network. As we move from AI to deep learning, the complexity and data requirement increases. So AI is a big concept, ML is part of it, and DL is the most advanced approach. In the next video, we'll move forward and start working on the data and practical machine learning concepts. So all of you, please continue the learning journey. I'm so grateful to all of you for coming till this part of the video and trying to understand things and learning. If you really like it, do like and do comment on the video, do give your feedback. I have also attached quizzes in the last lecture for your learning. Okay, so learn it in a very better way so that you can excel in whichever field you are moving forward. So thank you everyone. I'm grateful to all of you. Do watch next lectures. Okay, thank you so much.